Let's review 3 reasons why customers choose TradeAccountant. The first reason is to generate tax reports. Whether it's a Schedule D or 4797, customers choose TradeAccountant to save time and money. They can also merge multiple reports into one. In this example, we have loaded TradeAccountant with 3 accounts. Let's take a look at Account 1. These are the transactions. We can select the tax report page, and TradeAccountant has calculated the gain-loss for this data. I can then choose Print Preview to look at the report, and I can then choose to export the data to tax software. If I'm satisfied with the result for each of the 3 accounts, I can then merge all 3 into one with the click of the Account Selection control. TradeAccountant has now calculated the gain-loss for all accounts combined. A second reason customers choose TradeAccountant is to reconcile their trades, to close index and equity options, to manually match opening and closing trades in cases where they are not satisfied with the automatic FIFO results, and thirdly, to discover missing trades, in other words, errors in their 1099. TradeAccountant includes a wizard for matching and closing options. Use this tool to find all of the options in TradeAccountant and close them. TradeAccountant has found the options. I can now choose to exercise, assign, or expire these options. By default, TradeAccountant automatically matches opening and closing trades. However, if you choose to group or match trades manually, you can do that in TradeAccountant by selecting the Groups tab, then select Change Groups Manual Groups. Within this dialog, you can choose the trades of interest. Let's take a look at Account 1. Click on Opening Trade and click on a Closing Trade. Then choose Group to match these together. Customers also use TradeAccountant to reconcile their data. You can either manually reconcile by choosing a particular filter. So for example, you could look at all sales, or you can use the reconciliation wizard, which allows you to look at your data in great detail using the built-in wizards. In this case, let's take a look at the gain-loss report. This summary shows us how that report was calculated, including cases where trades were opened in a prior year using a short sale to open and closed within the tax year or after the tax year in focus. An equally important benefit of TradeAccountant is the ability to track performance. TradeAccountant allows you to keep track of trades on a weekly basis or report daily if that's your choice. You can also use the Risk Manager to control your exposure and improve your discipline as a trader. There are several built-in reports. Let's take a look at the Realized Gain-Loss Summary Report. In this report, TradeAccountant lists each of your trades and shows you your gain-loss and ranks them from best to worst. In addition, TradeAccountant provides a graphical view of your trading results. Sophisticated traders use TradeAccountant's Risk Monitor to control their exposure. In this case, this line indicates an entry price, a stop loss, the market price, and a goal. This is used to calculate exposure for each trade. TradeAccountant includes features to allow you to set your exposure and keep track so that you stay within your risk tolerance. As you can see, TradeAccountant includes many features that go far beyond the features of a standard tax reporting tool. But at any time, as we've mentioned, you can choose the Tax Reports tab, select the year of interest, select Print Preview, review the report, and then export it to tax software. We invite you at this time to download a free trial of TradeAccountant. Use the temp key to get started. Thank you.